Yo, it's your boy Chip here with another weekly analysis here. And what we're going to do, we're just going to be looking into a couple of just CHF pairs, a couple AUD pairs, and just go kind of straight into it. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and let's get it. Let's get it. So I'm going to start off with this Euro CHF. Reason why is I see a very bearish movement. So if we could get a very bearish movement out of here, got a 45-degree angle there that hit perfectly. So our trend is there too. What we want to know, what we want to see next, right? What we want to know next is where can we get in. So in this video, I'm just gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna go over a little bit of zones. So to find your zones, I'm gonna usually go to my weekly. So if I'm on my weekly, I'm gonna find that zone on this weekly. So I see this area as a weekly zone, and this one, right? This is zone. Okay, so what we want to do, essentially, I want to wait. We're in the middle of a zone, so it's about 90 pips till we get into that zone. Still looks good for the sell, so we're gonna definitely continue with that sell. Okay, so that's a pullback if there is one. It's a 50-50. Okay, got 50 pips for a pullback. Put a support right here. So yeah, what we want to do is I want to see what it wants to do. If it wants to pull back and then continue, pull back, continue. So price can go up a little bit. It's 4 hour too. Hasn't really tested that zone. Looks like it could possibly go around this area, come right back down. So yeah, I wouldn't pull the trigger instantly, but I would definitely want to get this to go lower. There. So that's about 67 pips. Okay, 67 pips on that one. So I'm going to see that going bearish from the daily. Watch for the pullback. If there isn't a pullback, awesome. But as we can see, it's been very bearish. Price doesn't usually just want to continue to drop. We'll probably see some pullbacks. So yeah. So now we'll go to GBPCHF. All right, so from the monthly, looks very bearish. Okay. As we can see, price has only been going down. So let's see what it wants to do. So this is a nice pullback continuation. There's a lot of M formations happening. So since I'm on the week, I'm going to do this real fast. Okay. That's that zone also. So what we'll do now, I want to see where the support is. Or resistance right there. So we have about 92 pips. 92 pips to that zone. So yeah, so what I want to do is I want to see if there's some type of sort of pullback. There's another area. That was where the zone first started. We got a bunch of M formations here. So what I want to do. I want to see that go down some more. See what it wants to do around this area. It wants to pull back to, this is the daily, so might have like a slight trend line in there, but I think this is actually going to continue down to this zone right here. So looks very good for me. That's what I'll keep my eye on for this week for sure. And now with AUDCAD. So AUDCAD, we've been seeing it bearish a lot. So on the monthly, so we want to execute actually on that too. I'm gonna add the support resistance, go down to my weekly. I know according to the weekly, my zones, that area, all right. This area. The support in here. Resistance. Okay. So we look into current. Got this. Ready. So this right here. And then we'll do, actually, we'll wait for that monthly low to break. We got about, how much pips to this low? 76 pips. So if we got 76 pips, yeah, we'll just wait for that, see what it wants to do. It's very bearish. We're on looks like a stage 4 also, according to the stages. Got a stage 1, at 2, at 3, come 4. Got to go right back down to that 1. So the daily is definitely bearish too. Got to make sure that cycle just completes. But looks good. This is consolidating. Wait for that break. And we'll just continue with that to go bearish. Yeah, so for all of these, I do see bearish movements. We should be seeing a good amount of movement this week. A lot of news has passed us too, so it should be a good fluent week. Actually, there should be some news coming around also. So just be prepared for that. But as we know, technicals run the market, and we're just going to keep running with the market. So with that being said, if you haven't checked out the previous videos, go check those out. Very informative. If you haven't clicked the link in the description, there's our community where we're always giving out trades. We're always giving out our ideas. We're always just growing together and going live also consistently in there. So if you want to get more with the team, come along. And also with NFP that just left, so that means that the market should be very, very fluent, like I was saying. And I think we'll be actually catching a lot of great pips this week. So catch us inside the Discord. We'll be sharing more trades. We'll be sharing all of our ideas in there, and just growing together. Let's get it, y'all. Let's kill it this week, and let's get these pips. Peace.